Welcome back in ma'am's class, EVS class. Okay, so I hope children you all are happy. Are you happy? Yes. Okay. So dear kids, today we are going to learn new action words. New action words. So yesterday we have learned action words: playing, singing, cutting and drawing. Okay, so today we will be learning new action words. So you can see today also I have put new action words. So lovely kids, dancing, say with me, dancing, beating, skipping, skipping and picking. So lovely kids, beating, yes, beating, I am beating. Okay, so I am beating. You can see children here, beating. This is an action word. Now lovely kids, skipping. Skipping is skipping. Okay children? So you can see is skipping. Okay? Okay. Now children, what I am doing? What I am doing? Yes, I am dancing. Dancing is an action word. Okay? And lovely kids, what I am doing children? Yes, I am picking something. ठीक है, हम कुछ उठा रहे हैं. I am picking my paper. Picking. ठीक है, picking means जो भी आप फ्लोर से, टेबल से, you can pick from anywhere. You can pick anything from anywhere. Picking. Picking. Okay. So lovely kids, dancing, beating, skipping, skipping and picking. Okay, so you have to revise these action words in your daily life. And you know children, these words we do in day-to-day life. Every day we use these words, we do actions also. So as you know, we have learned yesterday one rhyme. So lovely kids, today we have to continue that one rhyme. So are you ready? Please drop your things. Stand up all of you. Stand up is an action word. Okay? Dropping also. Stand up. Very good. Okay, so we will revise our rhyme. So children, are you ready? Do like this. Oh yes. Are you ready? Oh yes. Good job. So first of all, we will sing a rhyme. Dancing, do the dance. Dancing, all of you do the dance. Dancing in the morning, dancing in the noontime, dancing, dancing. the sun goes down. Beating, beating, beating in the morning, beating in the noontime. Beating, beating, beating when the sun goes down. Then picking, 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 picking in the morning, picking in the noontime, picking, picking, picking when the sun goes down. Then skipping, skipping, skipping in the morning, skipping in the noontime, skipping, skipping, skipping when the sun goes down. So lovely kids, dancing, beating, skipping, skipping and picking. So these are words which we are going to learn today. So lovely kids, let's move.
So kids, you can see this picture is eating. Okay, eating. This is an action word. Eating. How you eating, children? You can see this picture. Eating. Yes.
Skipping, skipping. That girl is skipping. Children, say, repeat after me, skipping.
Now, children, picking. Okay, जब आप कुछ भी pick करते हो तो we say picking. Picking. You can see these children are picking sand. Yes? They are picking something from the sand. Okay. Picking. Beating. We can say beating the drum. Yes. You are beating something with the sticks. है ना? Yes. Beating. मतलब किसी चीज को बजाना. Beating is also an action word. So children, beating. Okay? Skipping, picking, beating, yes, eating, dancing, singing, sitting, standing. These all are action words. These are action words. So this is beating. This is an action word, beating. So lovely kids, you can see and learn.
Okay, children, now we will do an activity. So, for this activity, I am using ice cream sticks, okay, a scissor and glue, and a colorful paper, and some wool. So, children, let's start our activity. So, for this activity, first of all, you need to take ice cream sticks. Okay, so you will take 4 ice cream sticks and you will paste it with the help of the glue. Like this. And then we will take the paper. Okay, so we will take the colorful sheet that we are using and then we will cut the paper in the shape of triangle. Okay, So it's, yes, in this way you will cut the paper in the shape of triangle, and we will cut the tip of the paper and we will make it a little design on the paper, because we are making the skirt of the dancing doll. So you will make small patterns. So I am making this patterns. You can use any pattern whatever you like, and you can decorate it too. Now we will take the cutting and we will paste it on ice cream stick with the help of glue. Now we will take another 2 ice cream sticks and we will place it under the 2 ice cream sticks that we are using. So the new ice cream sticks, we will place it under the previous 2 ice cream sticks like this. So this will be the hand of the dancing doll. Now we will take the wool and we will make the hairs of the dancing doll. So on the top of the ice cream stick we will place glue, and then on top we will place the wool to make the hair. So you can see I have made the hairs. Now I am taking 2 small circles to make the eyes of the dancing doll. Now let's put the glue and place the eyes of the dancing doll. So in this way you will make the eyes of the dancing doll. Now with the help of the color, okay, so you can use pencil color. I am using crayon. You can use crayons too to make the lips of the dancing doll, okay. And then with the help of the black color I will color the body part of the dancing doll, okay. So I have taken purple color here to make the upper part of the dancing doll, okay. So children, now let's make the shoes of the dancing doll with the help of the crayons. You can make the socks as well. And you can see our dancing doll is ready. Okay children, I hope you've liked the dancing doll. So you need to make dancing doll with the help of ice cream sticks and paper, glue, colors and wool. Okay children, so you make your own dancing doll and decorate it nicely. I hope you've liked the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.